welcome back to our channel. My name is Josh, the cooking cop.
And my name is Babe, and I cook for the cop.
So today is going to be a really special episode. If you've seen in the past, we have cooked the king of all steaks, the ribeye, but the ribeye cap. The rib cap is by far the king of all steaks.
It's the best.
Today we are going to be making the queen of all steaks, the picanha. Yeah,
like me? Like I'm the queen?
Yeah, that's right. So the picanha is very difficult to get, especially here on the West Coast. So we were lucky enough to get a Snake River Farms Waygu Picanha. Now look at this thing. Look at how it's packaged right here. This is how it came. It came shipped on dry ice, and you can see how it looks. And then let's look at the website here. You can see that it costs $75 for this one piece of meat. So this is going to be really special. Now, I've only had picanha once, and it was in a Brazilian restaurant where I got to have a little sample of it. I've never cooked one, ever. We've never made one. And I've never had like a large quantity of it. So I'm super excited. Right, babe?
I'm excited.
Right.
Right.
And what makes today's episode even better is that CJ of Cooking with CJ and CJ's Q, fellow YouTuber, and his wife, they also have a picanha. So today is going to be really special. Not only are we going to hang out with them at their house, we haven't seen them in like over 6 months.
And we get to swim in a pool.
And we get to swim in a pool. It was due to the whole lockdown thing. CJ is going to cook a picanha. I'm going to cook a picanha. We're going to cook it 2 separate ways to show you guys how you could prepare it and the different flavors. And are we going to cook it like straight Brazilian style? Or are we going to do one more like more like a Texas barbecue style? I don't know. We're going to figure it out. But this video is certainly going to be exciting. CJ is also going to make a video, which I'm going to link below. You can see his take on it. You can see our take on it. And it's going to be a fun day cooking some picanhas. So without further ado, let's hop in the car, babe. Let's hop in the Super Prius.
Here we go.
All right, and here we go. So the Super Prius made it. We're here at CJ's house. Look at the pool. Finally a swimming pool. You know our homeowners association pool is still closed.
Sons of bitches, all of them.
Today's gonna be cool though, because not only are we doing 2 picanhas, we're gonna do one on his Weber kettle with the Gabby grill. That's
Santa
like
Maria attachment.
Santa Maria attachment. That's like more traditional Brazilian
yeah.
style. And then we're gonna do something that you don't see very much of on YouTube, which is we're gonna do the other picanha on the pit barrel cooker. And you've seen other videos from him. You've seen other videos from me. We love the pit barrel cooker. Really good company. Great customer service. Mom and pop company, and they're awesome. Yep. And everything that we've ever made on the pit barrel cooker is
Come out perfectly.
Come out perfectly. So you're going to see a pit barrel cooker picanha. You're going to see a traditional Brazilian picanha.
Not on a rotisserie, but
not on a rotisserie, but right over the fire with the coarse salt.
Yeah, coarse sea salt.
Yeah.
On both of them.
And yeah, we're gonna just see you chopped yours into steaks.
I did.
And then we're gonna hang mine whole. We just scored the outside. I'm gonna roll a little B-roll right now of trimming up the silver skin and scoring it up. So let's roll that B-roll right now with some fruity little elevator music. All right, so stick around, and yeah, it's gonna be barbecue, pool, fruity drink special.
Fruity drink.
All day. Come on back.
Yeah, so check those bandages out.
The pit barrel cooker all set up. I like how you got the rolling wheels on it. That's actually a nice touch. So that's getting warmed up, and then over here with the Gabby Grill Santa Maria attachment, that's going to be over some charcoal and real actual wood. So that's going to be nice.
Yes, sir.
And yeah, it's going to be a dueling picanha setup today. Hang it. We got some cherry wood in there. Let's get this lid back on. Be ready to roll. Okay, so we're gonna do the first one on the pit barrel cooker. We're gonna run that probe in. Got a couple different probes here.
Got some probes.
All right,
I should take
take the probe out. So look, we got the coarse salt on it, and this is how we're gonna do it, like that. We're gonna turn this.
that. Cherry wood in there. Move. I'm gonna move this out a little bit. Oh, whoop.
Is this how many guys does it take to change a light bulb?
The 2 Stooges.
the two stooges.
All right, we're gonna stick it right in the thick part. All right.
Probing the thick meat.
You guys are probing each other's thick meat.
That's disgusting. Sorry about the lighting.
It's all right.
All right, let's get a nice smoke bath.
Okay, so we got our picanha working on the pit barrel cooker right now, and CJ cut his picanha up into steaks, and then he's getting this all fired up. A little behind the scenes YouTube action. Meanwhile, Babe's just waiting for us to prepare her some food.
I'm just sitting in the pool by myself.
That's okay. You're just waiting for some picanha.
Bring me steak.
We're gonna let the hickory wood just kiss the meat, kiss the picanha. Mrs. CJ's offering to kiss my meat right now. All right, we're just gonna let it chill, get some of that good smoke, and then we'll get a little closer and start searing it off.
So we're about 45 minutes in on the hanging picanha, and we're just gonna double check temps.
Getting the fat, oh, that hit the thing. All right, getting the fat point.
There we go. So we're at 63 right now.
But look at the fat cap.
Yeah, it's like glazing over and dripping down it. It's gonna be super, super juicy, I'm sure.
Oh yeah, for sure. 63, yeah, we got plenty of time on this, but when we get this, we get to about 120 or so, you think 120?
Yeah.
We will take it off, open the lid, put the grate back in there, and just let it sear off.
I know this is a pit barrel cooker video, but I'm also hijacking your video.
Oh,
Oh, I just wanted to look at your picanha real fast. I mean, damn.
you wanted to check out my meat?
I mean, don't
All
judge.
right, so
Don't judge me.
Right now, it's been cooking long enough. We got some great temps on these. We're gonna sear them up real quick. Get that fat dripping down there. As I'm like crowding my own camera. We're gonna get that fire. We're gonna kiss it. We're gonna kiss the dumpling.
The pit barrel picanha. Look at that applewood smoke. 107, 106. All right, we're at about 120. It's time to pull it off. Oh man, look at the juices dripping off of it.
What do we?
Dude, that's good. We're
wanna
gonna
do
throw
on
it.
the fat side first, right?
We're gonna throw it on the Gabby real fast. Let's do it. Oh, baby girl. We're gonna finish it off over wood. All right, over the Gabby grill, Weber kettle.
Oh, that's a fire.
That's a fire. It's a little hot out there. We're gonna let these rest for a while, and then we'll slice them up. We'll show you guys the difference, little taste comparison, all that good stuff. So this is the non-fat cap side. You can see we're just letting it rest, just hanging out for a little bit. But damn, that smells amazing.
All right, let's take a look. Oh snap! A nice medium rare. What you know about that? Oh.
All right, so you guys could see the Weber, the Gabby grill. This is how it came out. It actually was legitimately awesome. It came out really, really, really good. So I'm excited to slice into the pit barrel cooker one. Okay, so you saw CJ's, you saw how incredible his was off the Gabby grill. This is the pit barrel cooker that we scored. You can see that we scored the fat cap, and then the grains are running this way, and you always want to cut against the grain. So obviously you always want to cut against the grain. So we're gonna do obviously this way is against the grain, and then we're gonna just slice into it. And we're gonna hope, and we're gonna pray, and we're gonna see what this picanha, $75 picanha, I'm doing thin slices. And I gotta give a shout out to CJ, this Dale Strong knife that he's letting me use. Link down below because, because this thing is incredible. That thing is nice. It's cutting it like butter. And you guys might think, yeah, you know what, this isn't like a normal YouTube video, but you can kind of see, I'm just having a good time, a little backyard barbecue action, having fun, filming videos, two $75 picanhas. More importantly, would we make Hobo Nickel Barbecue proud of that? If he's not, he's voting for Biden.
Riding for Biden.
Riding for Biden. But no, on a real note, dude, the juices are like
That is like perfectly medium rare,
Yeah.
rare. Oh, you love it.
that's killing it. And as I said in the intro to the video, I've never cooked a picanha before. And how many people have hung a picanha from the pit barrel cooker?
Not many.
Not many, but damn. The pit barrel cooker always delivers.
Gorgeousness.
Gorgeousness.
Can we
Should I
talk-
cut this and then we'll reframe the shot?
So can we talk about your shorts and shirt?
Woo!
Oh my
Hey,
goodness.
listen, it's pool days, baby. It's pool days. All right, so you saw that we tried that one. No, they didn't see that actually.
We tried mine already. And make sure you check out my video.
That's right. That's right.
It was
Link below.
excellent.
That's right.
Now we're gonna try Josh's medium rare picanha.
On the pit barrel cooker.
Pit barrel cooker finished up on the Gabby grill.
There we go. There we go.
Yeah, look at that.
Cheers, brother.
Cheers.
Dude,
You see? No.
that's legit.
Oh, the flavor is real, baby.
And it's just salt.
Mm.
I don't get it. The tenderness. That's why this is the queen of all steaks.
It's tender.
You got the ribeye, the rib cap, and you know
Oh,
those
I love
Costco
rib
rib
cap.
cap. You know that. But I mean, dang, dude, this is like
It just melts. You want to chew it a little bit longer. Let those flavors.
I didn't know what all the hype was about.
No,
picanha.
I didn't either.
I didn't either. And you know, when we make tri-tip or ribeyes or
Right.
whatever we make or briskets, you always do these crazy rubs and
Right.
and all this. This is salt.
Salt.
That's it.
But when the meat is good,
Yeah,
salt
I
is
mean-
all you need.
Okay, Snake River Farms Waygu Picanha, $75.
Snake River Farms, holler. at us.
I'll give it to you because that was
freaking good.
That was
All right,
freaking
good,
good. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching the video. We're goofing off in the backyard here, swimming. My little short shorts.
The short shorts are awesome.
Fruity drinks.
Fruity drinks.
Two pits cooking.
Yep.
I
If
mean-
you come to CJ's house, you're gonna have a fruity drink.
Every time. Every
Every
time I've
time.
ever been to CJ's house, you eat good food, you have fruity drinks, and you do a cannonball in the pool. That's it. All right. We'll catch you on the next video. Babes in the backyard. Mrs. CJ's in the backyard.
They're swimming while we're working hard.
Yeah, well, I'm sweating over
I'm
a hot
sweating
stove
like
all
crazy.
day.
It's hard.
All right. All right. Maybe we'll give them a little bit. Okay.
All right. Maybe.
All right. We'll see you on the next one.
Peace.